everyone! 1.5 teaspoons active dry yeast is almost equal to 15 grams fresh yeast. 2 tablespoons sugar. 2/3 cup warm water. I'm Isabel. Welcome to my channel, where we bake everything in the air fryer. Two cups flour, sifted about 240 grams. Add 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Add 1/2 cup's flour, sifted about 60 grams. Air fryer baking is easy. Just follow my tips and you'll get it perfect every time. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm spot for 40 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Continue kneading the dough by hand. Help my channel grow. Drop a comment or even just an emoji below. Knead the dough until it's nice and smooth. Cover with plastic wrap and leave in a warm spot for 60 minutes. The dough has risen beautifully. Dust the table with flour. Dust the dough with flour. Please like this video or leave a comment. It really helps me out. Thank you. Repeat after me, it is very simple. If the dough is very sticky, sprinkle it with flour. Brush the parchment paper with vegetable oil or olive oil. Transfer to a baking dish. Cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for 20 minutes. Make a deep cut. Dust the dough with flour. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit 160 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this recipe. About 5 minutes before the end of baking, turn the bread over. Perfectly baked. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot. That was very simple and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your meal.